This is Raghunath Sivasankaran of Vithram India. I attended the 2 days program Burning Desire organized by SIL at Mahabaleshwar. I found this program very useful for my scale-up process of my organization. This program takes you in detail company's values, mission and vision statements are defined in this program, which is going to be for a long run in my organization. This is my second program with SIL. Twice I attended RM and this is my second program. The beauty here is when we align with coachings of SIL, the Vithram India and SIL together becomes a very good garland. And the second beauty point is essence of flowers is transferred to the strings of the garland. So I found this very useful and I would recommend to all my friends and all the entrepreneurs in this organization. Thank you.